Masculine behaviour normally comes down to two things. The first being showing other guys that you're not threatened by them, and secondly, showing girls that you are the real deal and that you don't just intimidate others. Girls love it when men display masculine body language because it makes them look confident, strong, and like a protector. And today, I'm going to teach you about the types of masculine body language that girls absolutely adore. And to keep you on the right track, I'm also going to tell you about one thing that guys do that actually makes them look weak. Let's go. Masculine guys set the pace. It's all in the way they walk. Masculine guys walk with purpose. They don't shuffle or walk with their head low, run after the person in front of them, or walk in a stressed hurry. They walk with purpose and power. Their heads are up straight, shoulders back. They don't walk slowly, but also they're not in a hurry. They walk like the world runs on their schedule and they are in control of it. A masculine man walks in such a way that any girl that he is with will change their speed to match his. He's also polite enough to walk at their speed, but mostly it's the way he walks, and girls know straight away that he is masculine. Masculine guys sit up straight. So many guys forget their posture. When their date arrives at the table, the first thing they see is a guy sitting slumped over, scrolling through his phone with his head down. This is not what would happen if a girl was walking in and sees a masculine date. He would be sitting up in his chair, looking straight ahead, which would allow him to see his date walking in, catching her eye and flashing his smile. Which guy would you rather walk in on? Masculine guys have good posture whether they are sitting down or standing, and this makes them appear more confident. And remember, girls love confidence. The masculine guy opens up his chest. Masculine guys often take up more space, and I don't mean manspreading, which is men obnoxiously taking up space so that women can't sit down. It's more of a natural thing because they have great posture, which means their body sizes are averagely bigger. Now, a masculine guy tends to open up his chest area more, which makes him look naturally confident, and therefore taking up more space in a room. They make a good first impression. Their body language, like the way they walk, their posture and their open chests, gets them noticed by the ladies. They still have to speak though and make a good first impression. And masculine guys are not just about looks, they are great speakers. They naturally make a good first impression by simply just being themselves. They ask the other person about themselves and they tell them a little bit about them. They offer up interesting conversation, and overall they come across as approachable, confident and stable. All things that girls love and something that they are looking for. Masculine guys display control. If a masculine guy says no to something, he means it. He sticks to his word and he stands by it. He has control over his actions, which also means if he decides to do something, well, he's gonna do it. The masculine men are high achievers. They don't procrastinate. Instead, they display control and get that job done. The same applies to their romantic lives. If they meet a girl and they like her, then they won't take an interest in any other girls that might throw themselves at him. He only has eyes for that one lady. And girls love that determination. They love the control and the dedication that the masculine man possesses. Masculine guys have style. Dressing in a sloppy way is not something that you will find a masculine guy ever doing. They are stylish and always well-groomed and dressed. Masculine guys often have what is called that capsule wardrobe, which basically means they have all of the basic pieces they need and replace them often. This means a few nice pairs of jeans, some nice casual shirts, trainers, dress shoes, plus some jumpers. This forms the basis of a capsule wardrobe, and masculine men replace these items often so that they always look in style and look refreshed and good. Style is something that the masculine man always has, and it always impresses the ladies without a doubt. Masculine guys message ladies back. Masculine guys will always message back. They hold themselves accountable for their actions and are very respectful. Girls that date them know that they will always be there and be honest. If they are busy, they will simply message the girl and say, "Sorry, I'm really busy, I will message you soon." They will also tell them if they don't feel the same way as the girl. Girls actually appreciate this honesty, although it might hurt at first. Masculine guys are also never afraid to text a girl first, but they won't keep sending messages if she's not replying. He has respect for himself as well as her. And girls can trust their masculine men, which is why they enjoy dating them and being in relationships with them. Masculine guys stay fit. What do you picture when you think of a masculine guy? Most of you are probably picturing a bodybuilder in a gym. Sure, bodybuilders can be masculine, but it's not just them. Any guy can be masculine. You don't need huge muscles or a six-pack. Masculine guys stay fit because they look after themselves. They want to look their best and feel their best. So they may lift weights, they may go running, they may go for a swim. They do something that suits them and their body. And they stay strong, and this is something that girls love about them. Their fitness comes across in their body language, from the way they talk, the way they stand, and even sit. And they just look better and are often the most confident people in the room. Masculine guys like a challenge. They don't give up easily. They are willing to work towards something for years if they think it is worth it. This includes a challenging relationship or winning a girl over. They will try and try and try again and always put 100% effort into something. In fact, masculine guys love being faced by a challenge. It keeps their lives interesting because to them, there would be nothing worse than living an uneventful life. They show girls that they are up for that challenge by immediately making strong eye contact when they meet. And obviously, girls love this determination. Masculine guys are leaders. Some people learn to become a leader and others are born leaders. Masculine guys are born to be them. They have that natural confidence that is needed to lead a group of people. They are also fair, respectful, empathetic when people come to them with issues. They also display leadership style body language, open arms, uncrossed legs, and they use their hands to illustrate what they are saying. Now, they make some of the best managers, and they often find themselves at the top of a company quickly. And girls find this really sexy because it makes them driven and successful. The masculine guy is not negative. Everyone experiences some form of dissatisfaction from time to time. And yeah, we can get trapped in that negative cycle, and then it can be hard to escape from. We've all been there. We have all had those down periods, but masculine guys don't stay down. They get back up. They feel depressed for as long as they need to, and then they're back up kicking. They are emotionally mature and deal with their thoughts and feelings. This means they can easily get back on track to being positive and strong for themselves and those around him. If he kept all of his feelings inside, then it would be a lot harder for him to get out of that funk. Instead of focusing on the negatives of everything, he sees the positives. And this is what sets masculine guys apart from other guys, and it's something that the girls admire about them. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.